Hey guys, so this is where the plumbing on the ground floor is taking place, and it connects to the first floor. You check out my last video. And as you can see over here, we have these clamps. Over here, yeah. So we have these clamps here, right? And they secure the pipes in place. So that way the network isn't flimsy. It doesn't move that easily, and this is really important because they're fitting these pipes. At this point here, and these have to be, these have to be securely fastened. So once it jerks in, once you kind of just shove it in, you have this entire network moving, and it's not good, obviously, right? You need to make sure it's all secure and strong even after the fitting's done. So that's what these clamps are for, and these are being placed basically like a meter apart, like a meter apart, and that's probably where these marks are for. That's probably where these marks are, being used. So yeah. Sorry, this generator is just so noisy. We're using a generator for this sawmill upstairs. Yeah. And yeah, we have these. Do you guys want to go see where this thing is being used? Well, let's go check. So that's what it's being used for, actually. It's being used for this little handsaw here. It's an electrical handsaw for cutting the pipes, for cutting the PVC pipes. Like, share, subscribe, comment.